But I have a little surprise I've been sitting on since the year 2006. An assignment we had in 8th grade. Write a letter to someone important on a special day. Mary's wedding day. Dear Mare, by the time you read this, you're old. We grew up, you're getting married. Wow. He, all caps, has to be hot. He has to be a really good kisser. I'm just saying that you really deserve the best. The purpose of this letter is just to let you know that right now, at 13, I love you so much. And I bet I'll only love you more on the day you're reading this. That is true. I love you, Mary. P.S. Oh my gosh, you have a new name.
Christopher and Mary, you guys look great tonight. And thank you more than anyone else for bringing us all together in this incredible place. Christopher, I'm impressed, and I continue to be impressed with your ability to be actually adventurous in life, to take the road less traveled and to find things about yourself that most people never discover. And I couldn't be happier that you found the perfect person to take that journey with.
I ask myself every day, it's like, God, what do we do to deserve Christopher? What do we do? Christopher Richard, it is truly a match ordained from above. The greatest honor of my life as being part of this family and the father of Mary Elizabeth Joan Kelly. That is my greatest honor, to be your dad.
You challenge each other. Both of you have leaned into the adventure that is life. And as so often the case, an unexpected moment led to attraction, deeper affection, and now love. We are here today to celebrate just love.
We have two very, very special people that are now going to share their lives together, and I can't tell you how extraordinarily happy I am. Love you both.
And now we'll unite the two of you as one.